How to send money from InstaPay to Pakistan bank account. I'm going to show you how you can easily send money from InstaPay to Pakistan bank account. Start by opening the InstaPay app on your device. Next, select the option to send money overseas or to your home country. InstaPay partners with IMA RIA Money to facilitate global transfers through the RIA Money network, so choose the option for bank account transfers. Enter the recipient's bank account details in Pakistan, ensuring that you provide all the necessary information for a successful transfer. Next, specify the amount you wish to send and review the transaction details. Once everything is correct, confirm the transfer. InstaPay supports sending money to overseas bank accounts, cash pickups, or local wallets in certain countries. Be sure to check for any additional requirements or fees related to the transfer.